Now we want to zoom out and take a look at the national impacts of the smoke. Major cities like Washington, D.C. and New York are dealing with the effects. It's all coming from Canada, where hundreds of wildfires are burning, forcing thousands to evacuate from their homes. Half of the fires still not under control. ABC's Rena Roy has the details.
Urgent warnings from officials across the Northeast as millions of Americans face smoky conditions for the third day in a row.
I don't want people to let down their guard and to become complacent about this, because we have to be prepared for the winds to shift. This is the unknown. We're tracking the large plume.
That large plume descending upon New York City, creating an eerie dystopian glow Wednesday.
We live in one of the most beautiful places to see the New York City skyline, and you can't see it.
Massive skyscrapers barely visible in the thick orange haze, bridges disappearing too. Low visibility delaying flights at New York City area airports, stranding passengers. Officials urging people to stay indoors, and if not, mask up, preferably with a high-quality mask like N or KN95s. New York's governor says they'll be distributing 1 million N95 masks.
This is our old friend, one you never want to see again, perhaps, but this mask can make a difference.
In Washington, D.C., officials shutting down the zoo and Major League Baseball officials postponing the Nationals game. Air quality warnings from St. Louis to Boston. New Jersey's largest school district canceling classes Thursday. The governor renewing calls for action when it comes to climate change.
Climate change is here, and unfortunately this is our new reality. That disturbing orange haze in the sky, that smell of smoke and that burning in our throats, those are clear warning signs that the status quo cannot continue.
Meanwhile, in Canada, where this smoke is coming from, the fires just keep burning.
I usually break out in tears most of the time just talking about it.
More than 6 million acres destroyed so far. Here in the U.S., we are expecting to see some relief on Friday and over the weekend. Winds will shift and hopefully move the smoke away from the country. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
Back here at home, U of L Health is advising us on the health impacts of poor air quality. We know those with chronic illnesses like COPD and asthma are affected when there's poor air quality, but there are also dangers to breathing in air pollution for extended periods of time.
What people don't think about, because you don't feel it happening, is that air pollution can impact heart disease. It can acutely, again, right away, help trigger things like heart attacks. But long-term exposure can also put you at risk for heart disease. It can also increase your risk of diabetes and different cancers.
They are now suggesting you should watch out for symptoms of a heart attack. Seek care if you're feeling any chest pain, pressure, nausea, or lightheadedness.